一起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase forgot, okay, 忘記。
唔記得。
唔記得，會忘掉什麼東西？你知道嗎？我其實很喜歡收集資料，比如說美食好了。我很愛吃嘛，
看得出來。
網路或朋友介紹或馬路上看到什麼餐廳，就會想要去記得
拿名片，
會想拿名片。對，可是有的時候人家在問說你曾經吃過什麼餐廳，
就忘了。
How about let's put you in a scenario where someone is asking you about a certain restaurant that you've been to, and then you're like, I forgot what's the name of it, where is it? 那樣子 I think a lot of you might have been through that before. Okay, so let's listen to the dialogue. 我們來聽聽。
既然全堂按到乜嘅名？
我唔記得咧。
我咩唔記得咧呢？
哦，好像兩個人都忘記的意思。
對啊，兩個人都忘了，那該怎麼辦呢？
對。All right, obviously in the conversation, the other party forgot what the title or what the name of the restaurant is as well. Let's break it down, all right? 那家餐廳叫什麼名字？
基建全堂。
基建全堂。
按到乜嘅名？
按到乜嘅名？
基建全堂按到乜嘅名？
那家餐廳叫什麼名字？是不是？餐廳是
全堂。
全堂 That's a restaurant. The name of the restaurant 叫什麼名字？
按到乜嘅名？
按到乜嘅名 Okay, 名就是名字。名 is actually the name. What is it called? 按到乜嘅名 That means what is it called? I forgot. 我忘記了。
我唔記得咧。
我唔記得咧。Okay, very simple. And then the other party is like, 我也不記得了耶。
我咩唔記得了呢？
我咩唔記得了呢 ？OK， 也是忘記了。唔記得嘛，咩唔記得就是也忘記了。
對。
咩 is also forgot 唔記得了。很好，這篇很簡單，那忘了只好上網去查了。
對。
All right, let's review some of these phrases, such as the restaurant 餐廳，
全堂，
全堂 the restaurant, and then a name 名字，
名，
名。Okay, and then we taught you a very simple word, 也 which means to or also 也。妹，只要妹就我也是了。
你也是妹，你是男生，
我不是妹啦，
你不是妹吧？
你才是妹啦。对不起，不是那個妹，這個妹就是也的意思。
不是那個妹啦。
Okay, 好 let's listen to the conversation again.
既然全堂按到乜嘅名？
我唔記得咧。
我咩唔記得咧呢？
And this month we're teaching you the phrase 忘記。
唔記得。
唔記得 that's forget, all right? And that is for today's Talk About Hakka.
是母胎噶。
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.